I'm a lily. Roots need coolness, flowers need sun. Water moderately. Give me balance, I'll be the garden's elegance.
I'm a peony. Don't bury me deep. Maximum 5 centimeters above the buds. Water rarely, but generously. Liters, not drops.
I'm a rose. Give me sun every day and wind protection. Water the roots and prune me, and I'll give you eternal blooming.
I love sun, hate water. My scent calms, repels aphids and mosquitoes. Guess who I am? Write in comments. If you like our energy, stay close, hit subscribe, and let's grow together.